Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Black Shark 5. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on the Nokia. Come on. Finally, you can tap on receive on Black Shark and send on Nokia smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and finally choose send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go into photos, tap on one, choose send and click on get it. Now on Black Shark, just no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Black Shark, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key here and tap on receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!